In this video, I'm going to show you how to translate any text directly from your keyboard, and that is very simple and easy, so let's begin. Here I got some text that is a Notes application, but you can use it anywhere on your iPhone. To translate any kind of text, first you need to select some text, just double tap on that text, or if you got no text, just write something and then double tap to bring up that menu. And here just make a scroll to the left to get this translate option appeared, and then just select that. And here you can translate this text to any language you want. In my case it's Japanese now, and I can tap on change language to select any language I want. I will choose Russian, for example, then close this, and now I see that Russian translation appears right here. Then I can copy that translation and paste it anywhere I want, like here. So that's how it works, and I hope it was helpful for you. And before you go, please like and subscribe.